inside the paint also, and yung aggressiveness.
Pass intercepted. Takbo na naman ang Arellano. Timang Ocotan is gone. Here's Arellano for the lead. Ocotan. The turnover ng Letran. What a play!
Nakakuha pa ng foul.
They're ahead by 8. There's another turnover. There's Anjord Cabotaje.
Nakalimutan nila kasi dapat sabay.
Oh, good pass. Arellano. Great play. There's Petros. She got ball around. Omega, one-on-one mark. Two-on-one fast break. Valencia, umabot pa yung defense. Hindi ba sa paningin ni Luis Tapetio, the putback. Minor, another 3. Lumapit ang bahagya. Teo Pahay. Open 3, Manalili. Kapak! Wala yung tira. Second try. That is 3. And that will do it in this ball game.